Hi there, Joannika here from Fullview Solutions, Bitrix24 Gold Partner in South Africa. I'm making this video to just share one of the new features in Bitrix24 that I personally like and use a lot. And that is the ability to pin a window to the bottom of your screen. So if you see this little part on the bottom here, I can collapse it and expand it again. But I want to start by opening up our company. So if you need to refer back to a specific item in Bitrix frequently, it's easy just to pin it at the bottom. Like I have a task with a to-do list of what I have to do every day, and that is pinned here at the bottom. So over here you can see there's my to-do for January, and I can scroll down and look at my items, anything that's completed or that I still have to do. And you can do the same with any CRM item. So if I am on deal, so this is just a test deal. So if I do this and I open it up and I want to quickly go back to my to-do list, I can do the same, and I can go back to full view or my to-do list. And you can add as many as you want, almost like having shortcuts on your Chrome tabs. So I can do this as well, and then it's added. And when I'm done with this one, I can close it and close that, but I still want to keep this because that's my quick reference that I want to go to at any time when I'm busy in Bitrix without me closing this, going to the task and finding the task on the list that I'm busy with. So that's just one of the new features of Bitrix that I really like. If you want to know more about any of the other new features, you're welcome to contact us and we'll gladly set up a session to show you around. Have a nice day.